Kawasudo eni manen gavana ma Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandago kawuono radhoge e apisas mag duol makedo kod mibadhi e pacho ka kotenore kod ng'ura ma itudo apisas mag sirikande mokalo gi mibadhi e chenro mar chiwo sir ne jopuonjre mane winjore odhi osom e pinje maoko moting'o Finland kod Canada.
Mandago masani en seneta ma county no yango ni onge ko tudruok mora mora gi mibadhi kachiel gi chenro no kendo midhiero mantie gidhi manaloso.
Okoni chalo ni siasa makoro serwaki e chenro no.
Matimore ka jopiny to be obago ng'anyo e alwora ma Eldoret kase otendo Uasin Gishu e okang' mar munjo ywak gi mapiyo bang' ka moko kuomgi nowito omenda e chenro no ka gin kod geno mar ne idhi mi nyithindgi sir.
In the advert, ya tarehe 24 mwezi wa 9 2021. Na the Republic of Kenya County Government of Uasin Gishu. Ni wao ndio wali advertise wakarecruit wanafunzi and they were organizing for the all program. Even the trustees are people, the public servants who are working under the instruction county government of Mandago.
Kwani tulipia watu wengine pesa? Rais wetu rivani pesa yetu. Kama pesa itakuwa tutafanya maandamano mpaka tarehe 15.
The ongoing students in Finland, their second semester fee was paid from the funds in the trust account with a commitment that the parents were going to pay. So parents owe the trust in excess of about 96 million. We have also found an overpayment, some amounts that were overpaid, and funds that were used for other administrative purposes. We are going to work and ensure that those parents who made a commitment for their children to be paid for, so that their children could continue to study and the program could not be terminated, that they refund the money. And in fact, I want to tell those parents, because a majority of them now are preparing to attend graduation of their children in Finland. I want to urge them that as you prepare to go and celebrate, prepare to also make another parent celebrate by returning the money so that they have the option of their money being refunded, or